Crypto is the wild west of finance right now, and that's part of what makes it exciting. But for beginners, it can feel overwhelming, like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Trust me, I get it. It's a lot. The first thing I tell people is simple. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. I know that feels like generic advice, but with crypto, it's rule number one. Prices can drop 50% in a week. That's not an exaggeration. It actually happens. A pain point for most people is figuring out where to start. My suggestion? Stick to the big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They've been around the longest, have the most adoption, and are less likely to disappear. Think of them as the blue chips of crypto. Another common mistake is diving headfirst into altcoins or meme coins because someone said they will 10x overnight. Spoiler alert, most of those coins are going to zero. If you hear about a coin from TikTok, run the other way. Don't be someone else's exit liquidity. If you're wondering how to buy crypto, start simple. Sign up for a platform like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. These are beginner-friendly exchanges. Verify your identity, link your bank account, and you're ready. It's easier than it sounds. Here's the part where most people trip up: storage. Leaving your crypto on exchanges isn't safe long-term. Exchanges can get hacked, or worse, they can pull a shady FTX and collapse. Buy a hardware wallet like a Ledger or Trezor. Always control your keys. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is your best friend. Instead of dumping all your money into crypto at once, spread it out. It smooths out the roller coaster ride. For example, buy $50 of Bitcoin weekly, no matter the price. Beware of FOMO, fear of missing out. Bitcoin's price is skyrocketing and you think, I need to get in right now. Relax, wait for pullbacks or corrections. Crypto will punish you for chasing hype. Patience wins over emotion every single time. Educate yourself, but avoid analysis paralysis. Spend time understanding blockchain technology, how crypto works, and why people believe in it. But don't let research turn into procrastination. The best way to learn is by dabbling and starting small. Scams are everywhere in crypto, and they're sneaky. If someone in a Telegram group offers you guaranteed returns, it's a scam. If a project's founders are anonymous, be cautious. The golden rule: if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Taxes. You can't avoid Uncle Sam with crypto gains. Always track your investments and trades. Platforms like CryptoTrader.tax help simplify the process. If you don't report your crypto activity, the IRS will eventually come knocking. Boring? Yes. Necessary? 100%. Finally, have an exit plan. Crypto can feel like an emotional roller coaster, and without a clear strategy, you'll lock in losses or sell too soon. Decide your goals. Are you in crypto to make a profit in 3 years? 10 years? Knowing why stabilizes everything.